Hello and welcome to AITV. I'm Mary Auburndale. Thank you for joining us. Let's take a look at this next story.
Tonight, we delve into a fascinating and rapidly evolving frontier that's blurring the lines between technology and creativity, the world of artificial intelligence art. For centuries, art has been a uniquely human endeavor, a reflection of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. But what if a machine could create a masterpiece? What if a few simple words could conjure an image so stunning, so detailed, that it challenges our very definition of artistry? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality of AI art. Imagine describing a scene, perhaps a cyberpunk city under a neon sky, with flying cars zipping between towering skyscrapers, and moments later, a computer generates a vivid, intricate image that perfectly captures your vision. This seemingly magical process is powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, trained on vast datasets of existing images and artistic styles. These systems learn patterns, aesthetics, and compositions, allowing them to synthesize entirely new visuals from textual prompts. While still in its infancy, AI art is already sending ripples through the creative industries. For artists, these tools are opening up unprecedented possibilities. They can serve as powerful collaborators, helping to visualize concepts quickly, experiment with different styles, or even generate elements for larger projects that might otherwise be too time-consuming or technically demanding. The sheer speed and versatility with which AI can produce diverse visual interpretations is proving to be a game-changer for many creative professionals. However, as with any disruptive technology, AI art has ignited a vigorous debate. One of the most fundamental questions being asked is whether AI-generated images truly constitute art. Skeptics argue that genuine art requires human intention, emotion, and a soul, elements that a machine, by its very nature, cannot possess. They believe that AI systems merely rehash and recombine existing patterns, lacking true originality or creative spark. The argument centers on the idea that without the human touch, the output is simply a sophisticated form of mimicry, not authentic creation. Further ethical concerns revolve around the training data used by these AI models. Many AI art systems are trained on colossal datasets scraped from the internet, often without the explicit consent or compensation of the original artists, whose work forms the foundation of the AI's learning. This raises complex questions about copyright infringement, intellectual property, and the fair use of creative works. Is it ethical for an AI to learn from and then generate new art in the style of a human artist without their permission or remuneration? This issue is currently a hot topic among artists, legal experts, and tech developers alike. Then there's the existential fear. Will AI art eventually render human artists obsolete? As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, capable of generating incredibly realistic and diverse artwork, some worry about the economic impact on human creators. If a machine can produce high-quality art quickly and cheaply, will there still be a demand for human artistic talent? This concern mirrors anxieties that have accompanied technological advancements throughout history, from the loom to industrial automation. Yet, many proponents see AI art not as a replacement, but as an enhancement to human creativity. They view AI as a powerful tool, much like a paintbrush or a camera, that expands the artist's toolkit. It can free artists from mundane tasks, allow for rapid prototyping, and even inspire new directions and ideas that might not have emerged otherwise. In this view, AI art doesn't diminish human creativity, but rather augments it, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Regardless of where one stands on these complex issues, one thing is clear: AI art is not a passing fad. It is a technological marvel that is fundamentally reshaping our understanding of creativity, authorship, and the artistic process. It challenges us to reconsider what it means to create, to appreciate, and to define art itself. As these technologies continue to evolve, the images they produce will undoubtedly continue to astound, provoke, and inspire.
For more information about this story, visit our website at aitv.media. Stay tuned for more news right after this.